Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. In this video we'll be talking about the pump I'm expecting in the market very soon, and also I'll be talking about some coins on which you can hold in case if this pump or plays out the way I expected. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel before and you're watching this video right now, please kindly subscribe now, and don't forget to smash the like button and put on your notification for more content like this. Thank you very much. Currently, let's go into the chart. You can see the coin market cap, the total coin market cap with Bitcoin currently, and you can see that we reached this particular level here, and since then we are still trading above it. Do you understand? We have not yet breaking below. Do you understand? So even though we are still in a downward trend on the total market cap, you understand? Now, but let's leave that one aside. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Very, very important chart. Let's go to this one. Yeah, this one is okay. Now, if you look at this particular chart, the last time I talked about this egg formation, after I break out here, we have a test, we short to this particular level. Now, currently, we have another egg formation again, which is this. And if you look at it, we have not yet broken out correctly, like out of this particular egg. We have not broken down. Because if you look at it, there is a lot of rejection from or around the edge of the egg. If you look at it, we have a big rejection around the edge of the egg. Look at it, the right time it came out of here, it returned back inside, it shot to this point, it got rejected again and pushed back again. Same thing happens here. If you look at just around the edge of this egg like this, that is how the market has been moving, just like it's trying to form a curve shape. So that is how the market has been moving, just around. And during movement of the round of the egg, around the egg, the market has been giving rejections underneath those candlestick. And if you look at, even though we also have rejection at the upper part because of some big resistance we have at those levels. So looking at those rejection around the edge of the egg is trying to signify some presence of buyers, even though we don't have enough prayer, but it signifies that the buyers are present in this market and they are ready to move the market anytime soon. That's what he's just trying to tell us. So, but let's check another chart again. No, let's check another chart. Is it this one? Okay, yeah, this one. Now, if you look at, since the Bitcoin reached $69,000, if you look at that particular point, and the Bitcoin has been in a downward trend, like a descending wedge since then, and it has been squeezing itself throughout this particular channel. So now we have a break here. If you look at it, we have a break here. As we have a break here, once you have a break, we have a retest of any break, or we have a fake out. So this one, we have a break, it retests the break, and it's trying to move up again. So let's just pick it from here because of the fake outs we have. Let's pick this trend line again from here and look at this particular dotted trend line. This dotted trend line, we have a break out of this particular point, and we have a retest currently. Let's go to, let me show you very well. Can you see? We have a break. We have a break, and what we have, we came for a retest. So this is a retest, and now we're having some push by the buyers here. So the buyers took control in this region and they are trying to push the price upward. But don't forget, we have a big resistance at the upper part here. So this big resistance, this particular price needs to break above, or else it might just come again and push down again. Do you understand? But if we're able to break above this resistance of 38,500, then we see the price of Bitcoin coming to around 41,000 very soon. But there's one thing you should not forget, that today is 31st. So we are wrapping up this particular month of January. So I guess the reason we are having, like, even though overnight market was coming down, Now the market is going up. So I guess the buyers are trying their possible best to have an early close, that is a good close by the end of this month. So they're trying to wrap this particular month up in a good close. So we don't know where they want to wrap it up to. But if the buyers or the bulls can actually close this market above 38.5 before the end of today or before this month close, that's by midnight, that means we should see $41,000 very, very soon. Even within 2 or 3 days, we should see $41,000. But if they are unable to close this monthly close above this 35, you understand? Don't forget that 35 is a big resistance. That we are unable to close it above, then you might see, and we still get a rejection on that resistance again, then we might see a turnaround again, down again. But if they're able to get a good close, don't forget this is a new month. Sorry, this is the month is almost over, and we also have a new week. So if they can close it above 38.5, then this week will be a very good week for Bitcoin. You might see some pump to the upside. But if they are unable to do so in their week, when they get to that resistance again, then we might see Bitcoin turning around and coming down again. But irrespective, we have some news that has been going around about some some countries accepting, making Bitcoin as a legal tether and the rest like that, and some good fundamentals that is supporting Bitcoin. So and we have some news also. I also dropped some news some days ago that the ways are still accumulating Bitcoin and the rest. So, and looking at everything else together, it's possible. Don't forget those smart money. They know when the market has bottomed already. They understand, and they know when to enter and they know when to exist. So that's just about it. Even though they keep buying, but still that doesn't mean that you go ahead and start buying also. Don't forget to do your own research. So like I said, let's also check this chart before we are down. Okay, now if you look at this chart here, I guess I dropped it in the group that we're going to short. Okay, if you look at this chart here, we have a bounce again on this particular trend line, and we look at it, it gave us some nice rejection on this trend line, and don't forget we also have a support there. So the two together push the price upward up to this point, and we are getting close to that big resistance we have, which is 38.5 region. So if the price is able to close above this resistance, then it's a very good sign for this month of February. But don't forget, we also have a trend line here. So we might have some rejection around this region also. But irrespective, if the bulls or the buyers can give a good buying prayer and close the month above 38.5, perfect. This February be good pumps for most coins in the market. And when you see pumps, when you see that the market is ready, when you see that the markets, the bulls have tried their possible best to make a good close by the end of for the end of today, then coins you can be looking at, or you be looking at currently like this. In Mana, we have a sand. If you check Mana now, if you look at Mana, so Mana has been this upward trend, and is also facing this resistance also. So you might see a break, or you might see some correction down to this point again before you start moving up again. If you look at sand also, look at sand, same thing. It has been a trend. So so there's been a trend. So you might see sand coming to bound down to this point for a shift in trend, because there has to be a shift, or the sand we have to break up just to shift the trend and start moving up again. Do you understand? So that's just, you can hold sand, hold FTM. I still like it. FTM is also facing the resistance currently, I guess also. So sorry. So FTM is facing a resistance currently. So that's just basically about that. So that should be all for today. So the coins will good to hold for currently because of the way metaverse are getting big. Many industries, many companies are venturing into metaverse. So it's becoming wider even more than what before expected. And even in the future, metaverse will be a very, very big uh, uh, thing for investment. So don't forget to hold good metaverse token. It's not as if you hold Sand or the man I mentioned up there, or FTM I mentioned the other time, even though that's not a metaverse coin. But uh, don't forget to hold metaverse coin. Do your own research, find better project in metaverse and invest in. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also your comment is appreciated. God bless you all and have a wonderful day. Thank you.